Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Authority B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Authority B and today guys is another special one because we will be unboxing another art toy and this one is by AKI. AKI plus in cooperation with Solid Toys, and look at this one guys. VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited because we will do an unboxing of this AKI toy. So this one is AKI and the Solid Toys VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition. There. So we'll do the box first. So here, it's River VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition. At the other side, it's there you go, Solid Toys there. And as you can see on the front, I had AKI sign this one. So signed box by AKI. Okay, so we will do an unboxing. So here you go. Here we go, guys. So there, as you can see, we will do an unboxing. There. So first of all, there's a certificate of authenticity. AKI and Solid Toys PH RVR VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition. Number 36 of 100 pieces. This is to certify that the figure identified herein is an original and authentic product licensed by Tele Success Productions Inc. And this is the signature of AKI or Aljo Ignite there, AKI, better known as AKI. So guys, just a preview. I was there at the ToyCon on the first day at on Friday, and what happened was I went there around 1 p.m. And when I went to the booth of Sir AKI, there is only 4 remaining VOLTES 5 out of 100. Okay, so 4 remaining. So probably after I bought this, probably in around 5 to 10 minutes, all of this 100 pieces of VOLTES 5 were sold out. Okay, so there you go, guys. Wow, look at that one, guys. So, we'll unbox this one. So there you go. You can see the sword of VOLTES 5. We'll just put this one here, and we will get VOLTES 5. So before that, there is the flame, and we will get now VOLTES 5. Wow, look at that, guys. So we'll just put this one first there, and look at VOLTES 5, guys. Okay, so I asked AKI to sign also at the bottom. So there's 36 of 100, the number of this toy, and AKI 2023. So how do you assemble this one? Because the head of VOLTES 5 is also magnetic. See? Nice. So there. Now we will put the sword in his hand. There you go. And we will put this one here. There you go. So I'll try to show it in front of the camera. Look at that, guys. Wait. There. Look at that. VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition. With a headpiece and his sword. So what do you think, guys? This toy is really so cool. VOLTES 5 Cosplay Edition by AKI. Only 100 pieces and it was sold out during the first day of the ToyCon. What a nice piece. So if you have any comments, guys, please post in the comment section down below about what's your comment regarding this toy. And if you want to see me to do more of unboxing of art toys, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's channel. So till the next one, guys. Wow, I really like this toy. Bye!